Good day. I am Trixie Ann Pitulawe, and we are going to discuss or present our secondary level laboratory and what is the purpose of um, making it feasible. Liability on the Go is an innovative mobile clinical laboratory and timely diagnostic services directly to communities with a growing need for accessible healthcare. Our laboratory provides on site testing for patients who may have limited access to traditional facilities, ensuring that quality results wherever they are. Our laboratory emphasizes the purpose and innovation behind uh, the liability on the go as a mobile clinical laboratory that addresses one of the major challenges in the healthcare, like limited access to reliable laboratory testing, especially in remote or underserved areas. It highlights how the laboratory combines mobility, modern technology, and professional expertise to deliver accurate and timely results directly to the patient's locations. By doing so, it is not only ensures convenience and efficiency, but also promotes healthy equity by reaching individuals who may not have easy access to hospital-based laboratories. This reinforces the laboratory's commitment to its core values, excellence, integrity, quality, accuracy, and efficiency, demonstrating that even with mobility, service quality, and patient trust remain uncompromised. So this is our mission vision. So for the mission, by wealth and income inequality, professionals are available to provide every patient with pure and accessible quality care and quick access to every interested patient. For vision, our vision is to be a trusted and innovative laboratory providing affordable, fast, and accurate quality care in every test we perform. And finally, our core values, which includes excellence, integrity, quality, and accuracy, and lastly, efficiency. Clear and organized.
Our selected local, which is in front of the St. Cabrini Hospital in Santo Tomas City, Batangas, is here is yung may 7-Eleven, and then here is the petrol station. And then here is yung may vendors, mga food stalls. We're planning to put here in the middle, which is hindi naman siya yung masikip, and given na it's along the highway, hindi naman siya yung air polluted na, ganun. And we choose that because it is given na it is costly, lalo na kapag nasa loob ka ng hospital if doon ka magpapagawa ng laboratory, right? And then we choose that because it's having a good view, which is kita yung Mount Makiling, I guess. And for the safety protection is we ensure na magkakaroon at saka maglalagay ng CCTV in front, at the back, and then the other sides. And of course, for the staffs, we assure na reliable, licensed, qualified, and yung aming staff is may experience naman talaga.
The layout of the laboratory is carefully designed to promote efficiency, safety, and accessibility for both the staff and the patients. The arrangement follows a logical workflow that begins from the specimen collection and processing, leading to the microscopy section, hematology section, and chemistry section. The organized flow minimizes the unnecessary movement and reduces the risk of cross-contamination between all areas, allowing the laboratory procedures to be carried out smoothly and systematically. Safety is a key consideration in the design of the laboratory, such as fire alarms, extinguisher, smoke detectors, and emergency exits are strategically placed near workstations and high-risk sections to ensure quick response during emergencies. Waste disposal points are conveniently located within each working areas to maintain the cleanliness and proper segregation and adherence to biosafety standards. Zoning within the laboratory enhances functionality. The patient waiting area is positioned the main entrance for easy access, while the specimen collection and processing area is placed adjacent to it to the streamline patient flow. Staff-only areas such as the workstation, stage room, and lounge are located separately to maintain privacy, security, and conducive work environment. The layout provides the adequate spacing between the work areas, ensuring comfort and safety while allowing personnel to move efficiently. The central location of the microscopy section allows equal accessibility from the surrounding analytical sections, fostering coordination among laboratory staff. To further enhance safety and monitoring, cameras and smoke detectors are installed in key areas for continuous surveillance and compliance with safety regulations. Overall, the layout of the laboratory reflects a well-planned design that balances workflow efficiency, biosafety, and convenience, ensuring that all laboratory activities are conducted in a safe, organized, and professional environment.
List of laboratory personnel and staff, including their roles and responsibility. First, we have pathologists, a licensed physician specializing in laboratory medicines, oversees all laboratory operations, validate complex results, ensure complies with regulation, and provides clinical correlation for diagnostic findings. Chief MedTech or Chief Medical Technologies supervise laboratory section and staff, manage workload, ensure quality control, maintains equipment, and coordinates with hospital administration. Section or Senior Medical Technology leads a specialized area like hematology, chemistry, and microbiology, perform advanced testing, reviews results, and train junior technologists or intern. Medical Technologies or RMT performs routine and specialized laboratory testing, ensure accuracy and reliability of result, maintains quality assurance, and operates laboratory instruments. Medical Laboratory Technician assists technologists by performing specimen, performing basic tests, and maintain laboratory supplies and equipment. Phlebotomist specializes in collecting blood and other specimens from patients, labeling samples properly, and ensuring patient comfort and safety during collection. Laboratory clerk or receptionist receive test requests, logs specimen, release result, and maintains patient record in the laboratory information system.
So now let's talk about how the design addresses the efficiency, safety, and patient flow. As shown in the laboratory plan, the design fits its objectives of being efficient, offering biosafety, and free movement of patients and staff. The functional zoning facilitates efficiency since the chemistry, hematology, and microscopy departments are near to each other and deal with the specimen. It will be ensured to be safe in terms of controlling the accessibility of patients to the technical space, the presence of specific waste disposal points near to the workplace, and the separation of the clean and contaminated areas. Waste separation since the washing areas increase compliance with the biosafety rules. Conversely, the controlled access policies will reduce chances of contamination and contraband decisions. The problem of patient flow is resolved with the help of the position of the specimen collection room and the waiting zone that are located near the entrance. This will minimize the traffic and eliminate the practice of patients walking to the labs. Clear directional lines make sure that there is smooth flow of samples between collection and processing to analysis without disturbing the flow of patients. Overall, the design will help to represent a sensible attitude that will enhance the efficiency of laboratory, ensure exceptional elevated level of safety, and make the experience of patients and staff members both reasonable and comfortable.
Now let's talk about the potential challenges and how we would address them. Firstly is limited space. So the challenge here is balancing safety and the workflow in a very small area. So the solution for us would be using a flexible modular layout and optimize equipments where we would place them and reduce movements for contamination risks. Now, next is safety and regulatory compliance. For this, the challenge is meeting the biosafety standards for handling the samples and waste. Now, for our solution, we would install advanced ventilation with negative pressure zones, defined work areas, and proper biohazard disposal systems. For high equipment costs, the challenge here would be managing the expensive initial investment for the laboratory instruments. Our solution, of course, would focus on the multiple purpose instruments, negotiate with dealers, suppliers, and then plan a purchases in phases. For staff recruitment and training, the challenge here is hiring qualified personnel and ensuring their skills. For their solution, we would collaborate with local training schools and set up ongoing professional development programs. The workflow efficiency, meanwhile, would be ensuring the smooth sample flow to minimize the delay. Our solution for this is to design a clear and logical pathway that separating clean and dirty zone to speed up the processes. So for technology integration, the challenge here is incorporating the modern lab information system for accuracy and training. So for our solution, we would do a selected software compatible with laboratory equipments and then train our staff for a smoother adaptation.